Hi everyone! Join me today for a relaxing Qigong flow to help you slow down, connect with your breath, and relax your mind. Begin in a standing position, unlock your knees, and relax your lower back by tucking your tailbone slightly in. Relax your neck and shoulders, and mentally reach upwards through the crown of the head. We begin with abdominal breathing. Take a nice deep breath in into your belly. Exhale softly, pulling your belly in towards the lower back. Breathe in, allow your belly to expand. Breathe out and relax. Repeat 4 times. Avoid creating any tension in your body, especially in your throat and your chest. Allow your breath to be slow and relaxed. One more time. Slowly raise your hands up through the sides. Take your time here as you gently open the chest, then go all the way to the top and gently press out as you come up on your toes, stretch upwards. Release the position, relaxing your neck and shoulders first, and then the rest of the body. Repeat 3 times. Keep your mind focused on what you're doing. Stay fully focused and present in your body. One more time. Lift your arms up to open your chest. Slowly go up, lifting yourself all the way. Release gently, allowing your whole body to soften. From here, move down to your hips. This exercise is a very good way to release tension from the lower back. It also helps to encourage blood and energy flow to the hips and down to the legs. Change the direction. Then slow down the movement. From here, go into the spinal wave. Begin to gently massage the muscles of the back. Allow your shoulders to stay relaxed and your arms to flow by. Stay grounded through your feet and fully focused on the sensations within. slow down the movement and relax for a moment. Then bring your feet together. Lift your hands overhead. Then turn to the other side and squat down. Stand back up as you raise your hands up. Release down. Continue the exercise at your own pace. Inhale as you raise your hands up. Exhale as you lower them down. Then pause at the top to change the direction. The key here is to keep your lower back as relaxed as possible, using the strength of your legs to go down and up. Remain fully grounded through your feet. Bring both hands up, pause at the top, then relax your entire body. Take a moment here to rest and observe all the sensations within. Then spiral your hands, palms facing down, fingers pointing at the sides of your legs. Beginning the movement from the very bottom, turn to the back. Release slowly and come back to center. Repeat the same on the other side. Force nothing. Allow your body to turn naturally. When you come back to center, relax all the muscles. This exercise is very beneficial for releasing toxins from the body. It provides a gentle massage to the liver, encouraging blood flow, and stimulates the stomach and spleen meridian for better digestion. One more time. Slowly turn to the back. Then return to center, allowing your whole body to relax. Take a nice deep breath in as you draw your hands down the center. Place both hands on your abdomen. Move to the back. Gently open your chest to the sky. Look up. Release the position. Go forward. Allow your hands to gently brush down the back of your legs. Then grab yourself around the ankles or knees and stretch forward, keeping your spine nice and long. Then slowly raise up, bringing your hands back to the abdomen. Repeat 3 times. Release to go forward and down, keeping your back nice and straight. Avoid creating any tension or strain in the body. Slowly come up. One more time. Release down. Allow your hands to gently brush down the back of your legs. Slowly come up. and relax your hands by the side. From here, step out to the side. On an inhale, raise your hands up to shoulder height. Exhale, make yourself grounded and rooted through your feet. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, sink down. Breathing in and out the nose, into your lower abdomen. Keep your breath slow and relaxed. Allow the grounding energy of the earth to nourish and support you through your feet. Let your mind stay in the present moment by focusing on your breath. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Then take a nice deep breath in as you draw your hands up. Let your palms touch at the top. Then exhale fully, lower them down into the prayer position. Then guide your hands to your lower abdomen and take a moment here to rest and observe how your body feels. Feel fully present in your body, grounded through your feet. Allow your mind to be calm and still, and allow your breath to be slow and relaxed. Finish your practice by placing both hands on your belly and concentrating on yourself, on the sensations within and the moment you have with yourself. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you feel nice and relaxed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. And remember to check out my membership site for longer practices, weekly live classes, and other exclusive content. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.